What just happened inside the bathroom? Karen getting instant karma.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this guy is not having us. Oh my gosh.
Are you for real? Really?
You've been kicking my chair.
Side-eye had me dead.
Bombastic side-eye.
I think the fart smelled.
Whoever is farting, don't fart, please. It smells bad.
Bro did all that for nothing.
Bruh.
Can someone explain how
Bottle inside the bag, and if it's not my fingers, it refills itself.
No way. You
Yeah.
have another bottle in there.
Oh, I don't.
You're lying.
Huh?